All right, finally, we're bringing in the car to do the glare strip on the front windshield. So that is the final piece of the puzzle to complete the 2 auto accidents that the car was in from day one, or I mean, since last, I think the first accident was last January, then there was one in April. And this is December, December 7th. So all that time, we're finally going to get it fixed up. Now, I'm going to drop the car off. I'm sure it's only going to take them an hour, hour and a half to do it. But I'll jump on my bike and go for a little ride, probably down to Starbucks or something. But anyways, we did that. Now tonight, we do have to drop the car off at the airport at 10:30. Figure about 11 o'clock by the time she gets to the parking garage. So it's going to be freezing cold, and I'm going to have to drive that bike back home. So we're going to take our really good Steo jacket, and it should be a breeze. And we're going to take... We do have a headlight on the bike, but I do have a mount for this light. This is a very good light too. And then we'll put 2 rear lights on the bike also. So, I'm going to have my hood on and dressed up pretty warm, gloves. Maybe I should take those. I'm just going to take the fingerless gloves. We'll be fine with fingerless gloves. It'll be cold, but you need to have your fingers, you know what I'm saying? We'll have the cameras rolling for you for that too. So, oh man, when my feet get cold, I can get foot cramps in my foot. Anyways, we're getting ready to leave here. I've got a 9 o'clock, it's 8:30, so I'm really happy. We were able to fill 3 of these gas cans over here this morning, get the white car ready to go to the airport tonight. So I ran it through the car wash. So we're gonna probably, God damn, I'm gonna go put my tennis shoes on. I got a cramp in my fucking foot from, anyway. They're running this really nice play over here at this church. They do it every winter, you know what I'm saying, near Christmas. They set up Virgin Mary in the hayloft, giving birth to Jesus, with the 3 wise men and everything, you know what I'm saying? It's one of these little skits, Broadway skits, but they can't do this skit in New Jersey because they can't find 3 wise men. Anyways, that's kind of cool. I hope I'll be able to see that. I always tell myself to go see it, but I never fucking make it over there. But it has become more elaborate every year. It's pretty big time now. It's standing room only. The whole area is full of people. People that go to that church and other people too. So, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice little scenario. I'd like to see it tonight if I can. You know what I'm saying? I think it's tonight. I think they do like 2 nights and that's it. They set up that whole production for it may be just 1 night for all I know. But anyway, just wanted to do a little filming for you. Nothing major. Like I said, we're going to take this car down. It was nice to be able to, do these chores early in the morning. I get up at like 5 o'clock in the morning. I sleep 5 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, but I'll try to take a pyro nap later this afternoon, of course. But anyways, I got all of my trickle chargers. You can see I've got this bike on a trickle charger. My Jeep is on a trickle charger. It's a very cold, dry cold. It's your battery's worst enemy. There's 2 trickle chargers right there. One is on my dirt bike. One is on my Jeep Wrangler here, Sahara Unlimited, with Dana axles, 37-inch tires, 3-inch lift kit, Smitty built, riveted fenders, Smitty built rock rails, Dirt Logic stainless steel piggyback shocks. I got VFR front and rear bumpers, Warner 8,000-pound hitch, 62,000 lumens of light. I've got a tough, what is that, Tough Stuff? Yeah, Tough Stuff awning. I've got a Fab 4 roof rack, so you can carry your paddleboard up there, your windsurf board. You can carry a lot of your gear up there with your fuel cell, a couple fuel cells up there on the roof. I've done it before. You can put a T-rack on the back of this Jeep, carry your dirt bike, your mountain bike, both of them, or 2 dirt bikes. I've carried 2 dirt bikes on there. Yep, the inside dirt bike has to be small because you got the big spare tire back there. But anyways, we're going to shut this old boy down, and we are going to get ready to take the car in and have the glare strip put on, and I'm going to be a happy camper, man. You know, maybe I've told this story before, but when I bought this Tesla, I had a $1,000 deposit down to buy a Raptor truck, which I'm glad I didn't buy because they are spineless, sick